Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix the app of Pay. We will go to settings. Then we click on apps. After that you will search the app Pay and you will click. Then you will on for stop. After that you will go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn again. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.